You build multiple services, user service, order service, payment service, and suddenly everything is talking to everything. Direct calls, retries, failures, timeouts. Your system becomes chaos. This is the problem message brokers solve. Instead of services calling each other directly, they send messages to a broker. Producer, broker, consumer. This gives you decoupling, reliability, scalability, and that's where Kafka and RabbitMQ come in. RabbitMQ is a message queue. Messages are pushed into queues and consumed by workers. It uses exchanges, queues, and routing keys. It's designed for reliable message delivery. Kafka is different. It's not just a queue. It's a distributed event streaming platform. Again, messages are stored in logs, topics, and can be consumed multiple times. Kafka is built for high throughput and data streaming. Here's the key difference. RabbitMQ, messages consumed and removed. Kafka, message stays in the log. Kafka allows replay, multiple consumers, event history. RabbitMQ focuses on task distribution, immediate processing. Performance-wise, Kafka, extremely high throughput. RabbitMQ, lower latency. Kafka handles millions of messages per second. RabbitMQ is optimized for fast, reliable delivery. Both systems ensure reliability, but differently. RabbitMQ, acknowledgements, dead letter queues. Kafka, replication, offset tracking. Kafka is stronger for durability. RabbitMQ is simpler for guaranteed delivery. Real-world usage. RabbitMQ, order processing, background jobs, email sending. Kafka, real-time analytics, event sourcing, log streaming, data pipelines. RabbitMQ, easy to use, low latency, not ideal for big data streaming. Kafka, massive scalability, data replay, more complex to operate, higher latency for small tasks. In real systems, it's not Kafka versus RabbitMQ. You often use both. Kafka for streaming, RabbitMQ for task processing. That's how senior engineers design systems. If you want to master system design, you need to understand these trade-offs deeply. Like, subscribe and let me know what you want next.